Right now on CBS 46, more cases of the coronavirus showing up all over metro Atlanta. We are live this morning with what we are learning about a child now infected in our area. And helping those who need it the most during this outbreak, a local business stepping up to make sure healthcare workers get those much needed masks.
This is CBS 46 News at 7, getting results.
Good morning, and thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday. Great to have you with us. I'm Megan Packer. As you can see, we are broadcasting from our remote set this morning outside of the CBS 46 studios. Great to have you with us. Let's get right to CBS 46 meteorologist Alexandra Steele, also working remotely this morning, keeping it up. I have a couple layers on out here, Alexandra. Good morning.
Hi, Megan. Good morning to you. Yes, in the interest of social distancing, we have separated. All the meteorologists have done it thus far. This morning is my first time. So, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. We're certainly glad you're here. Well, let's take a look at some of the temperatures this morning. Certainly cooler than where we were at this time yesterday. Yesterday morning, our low temperature was 61, 47 degrees right now in Atlanta. So, certainly, it's a lot cooler than where we've been. But we've got rain on the way. So, that gorgeous day with the sunshine of yesterday is a bit of a history. Cloudy skies around. There is a bit of rain. It is well to the west in Alabama, but it will make its move in, but not until the afternoon. So we've got some hours before the rain settles in. About 3 or so, 3, 4 o'clock, kind of contingent upon where you are. Rain beginning in the southwest, and then we will watch it around 5 or 6, makes its move toward Atlanta, the metro, and areas east. We also have an easterly wind today, so that will keep it a lot cooler, areas north and east of Atlanta. So here comes the rain. As you can see, 7 in the morning, we're still dry. It makes its move through noon, and then about 2 o'clock, the rain enters. Could see some heavier downpours with this, and this is just kind of the beginning of really today and tomorrow with a lot of wet weather, waves of rain, although again today not a total washout. We've got until the afternoon, so get out and enjoy it. Temperatures though won't be very warm, but boy, Megan, they certainly will be as we head into the next couple of days. We're looking at 80s in the forecast with sunshine at the end of the week. So for today, increasing clouds, the rain moves in, a northwest wind 5 to 15. It will be a bit breezy later today. Talk more about the extended forecast coming up in just a few moments. Back to you.
Okay, Alexandra, thank you. We will see you in a little bit. And we do want to let you know that we here at CBS 46 learned yesterday that one of our staff members tested positive for the coronavirus. That person is doing well and in good spirits. We want to let you know our building and our facilities here have been thoroughly cleaned. They've been sanitized and deep cleaned. But again, we are just working out of an abundance of caution out of our remote studio this morning. But we are following CDC guidelines and guidelines from the Georgia Department of Public Health. Thank you so much for your patience as we all get through this together, and we thank you to continue to turn to CBS 46 for your news. We do want to get you up to date now with the latest numbers in Georgia. We are getting them multiple times a day. Take a look, the very latest coming into us from the state, now up to 555 cases with 20 deaths in Georgia, and we are expecting to get the most updated numbers today at noon. All around the nation, there are now more than 23,000 cases, including more than 300 deaths. And we have heard a lot about older populations affected by this, but now we are learning about a young patient infected with coronavirus here in Metro Atlanta. CBS 46's Ayani Hughes is live this morning outside of Children's Healthcare of Atlanta Scottish Rite in Sandy Springs with more on what we know about this case. Ayani.
Good morning, Megan. Well, this is certainly not what we wanted to hear this morning, but it is confirmed that Children's Healthcare of Atlanta has confirmed that they are caring for a 12-year-old patient in their hospital that has been confirmed with coronavirus. Now, officials say the patient is currently in isolation and the hospital is using appropriate precautions. They also are limiting hospital visitors and their screening time. Apparently, the girl's symptoms started off much like the flu. She developed a fever a week ago on Thursday, and her mom took her to the emergency room. Then last night, CBS 46 spoke with her cousin. He says Children's Healthcare of Atlanta initially thought it was the flu, so they sent her home.
The fever did not go down, and she took her back the next day. They still said, look, it's quite common that this happens in kids. Sent her back, and then she just kind of deteriorated. By Sunday, the fever had not broken, and she started coughing.
And her cousin reports that she is in stable condition here at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta Scottish Rite. And coming up at 9:30, he breaks down what happened after she got the fever. For now, we're live in Atlanta. Ayani Hughes, CBS 46 News.
Okay, Ayani, another coronavirus testing site is opening tomorrow we want to let you know about, but this is only for people with referrals from their doctor. It will be in Cherokee County at the government complex in Woodstock. Again, it is not open to the public. It is limited to people 60 and older who are showing symptoms of the virus and have a referral. It is open this week only. Starting tomorrow, the DeKalb County Clerk of Superior Court Office will begin social distancing efforts. They will put those in place until April 13th. You can file criminal, civil, and real estate documents online through their website. Services, though, such as passport applications and notary commissions will not be available in that office in DeKalb County until at least April 13th.